Now, for all of those persons who climb over a part of a structure just to go check out that event, may I ask you, were you disappointed at the end? No, I have to ask you. You see? Because I'm seeing happening pieces of videos where shows persons that climb over parts of structure and all them things. So I say, even if somebody hold a child by one of the limb and pass the child down to somebody, you know. Me can't show that part there. But me see that, listen, it's dangerous, you know. Yeah man, it's dangerous. And that's not the only video where me see where persons are climbing to go in and out of venues and then things there. So I say, take a look on the video, my people. Look on this one right there. So. Because I'm wondering if that person is okay. Based on how me see that person fell. Leave a comment or comment so me know anything about that. Until the next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.